Hey everyone, coming at you from our new house. It's literally like March 22nd today and there's still so much snow. We're in Northern Ontario, Canada. There's at least 2 feet left. I have no idea what the yard looks like, but right now I'm going to show you a tour of the inside, so let's check it out. Walking down into the basement, we have this small little flooring area here. We have a little walkout to our backyard and a little bathroom here with a little stand-up shower, window, small vanity. The shower's kind of old. And then there's a caddy, fireplace, storage, and a nice big window. This will kind of be the kids' playing zone. And then there's a little storage area underneath the staircase here, which we'll go into another time. Coming into the basement, there's actually 2 bedrooms down here. The first one has this really retro carpet, nice big window, big closet, and this will probably be our guest bedroom. And then you walk into the laundry room / utility room / I'm going to use it as storage. I'm going to put a bunch of storage in the corner here. There was a big freezer, so that's why it's dirty on the floor. Nice big window, laundry, our tools, some stuff we brought in already. And then this is the second bedroom in the basement, but we're going to turn it into my husband's workout room, or pain cave as he likes to call it. And again, there's another closet in here. We'll just use this all for like kind of workout or miscellaneous storage. And it's pretty much the basement. It's a raised ranch, so the lighting is really good. And I'll kind of just give another little look at the backyard. It's really small space, and we have no idea what the floor is out there. We don't know if it's grass or concrete, patio stones, because obviously there's a bunch of snow. Going into the upstairs, we have our Mr. Little Felix sitting there, so good. We have a dining space here. That's gonna be into the kitchen. We'll go in there in a second. And rotating around here will be our living room. Right now there is some wood walls, no floors in the upstairs yet. We're gonna be adding those very shortly. Looking into the entrance where we have all our stuff right now. Split level entry, storage closet here, and then here's the kitchen where we have all our stuff right now. And this kind of little eat-in zone, but it's nothing really here. All of our stuff here. A closet with coat storage in the other doors. The first room you enter is the bathroom. There is some tiled walls, tiled floors, kind of shower stuff here. The vanity is actually pretty low, which I'm going to keep because it's perfect for our children. Going across, we have the smallest of the bedrooms. This is going to be our little nursery room for now. This is also the smallest closet in the house, but it comes in around 4 feet, so it's still pretty decent. And there's some laminate floors in all the bedrooms now. And then in the middle, there's the linen closet. This is actually the biggest bedroom now. This could be our bedroom. And again, it has the same floors as all the bedrooms, but we're gonna be swapping out all the floors soon. The closet doors here are broken, but it's a nice tall closet, goes all the way to the ceiling. And then we have here, gonna be the shared kids room, kind of the medium-sized bedroom. We're gonna have a crib and a little twin-size bed for now, and eventually 2 twin-size beds. And another big closet goes all the way up to the ceiling. So eventually all these floors will all be one and the same, and then it'll be nice flow through. I'll hopefully also change the tile in here, and then eventually we'll be swapping out the kitchen tile, but leaving it for now because it's workable and we're not gonna be changing everything right away. And that's pretty much it.